The School of Apprenticeship and Skilled Trades delivers training and hands-on experience in the construction sector. The students have the opportunity to go into an entry-level career, or they can pursue an apprenticeship.
My favorite part of the program is what initially drew me to it, which was the variety and the ability to explore a number of different areas, and also its emphasis on shop hours. It's split about 50-50 between shop and theory, and it's excellent.
The School of Apprenticeship and Skilled Trades, we have two avenues. One is apprenticeship training, and the other is our post-secondary route, where we offer both diplomas and one-year certificates in specific construction trades.
The hidden gem of the program is the class sizes, the students, the teachers experiencing that, the knowledge that they have.
All of our professors are certified journey persons in their respective trades.
The hands-on shop portion of the program was so beneficial because when you get out in the field, if you have a little bit of background knowledge, it goes a long way.
We prepare students quite well to take on that next step, whether it's running their own business or whether it's working at a supervisory level in somebody else's business.
There's tons of different options you can do out of the program that I took, but in the apprenticeship and skilled trades area, there's a variety of opportunities and avenues that you can take to make a career in the industry and field of construction.
The apprentice program here at George Brown has been amazing so far. The professors here are very helpful.
I think that what I love most is that the lessons that you learn in your labs and in your theory classes and in the conversations that you have with your classmates and your professors, they all end up teaching you something that you didn't expect to learn. And those lessons are always so applicable, almost immediately, and you can see how you're going to be applying them later on in your own career.